How to add Doordash to CarPlay. I'm going to tell you how to add Doordash to CarPlay. Right now, you can't. As of 2025, the Doordash app isn't officially supported on Apple CarPlay. That means you won't find it on your dashboard alongside Maps, Messages, or Spotify. Apple restricts CarPlay apps to certain categories, mainly navigation, communication, and audio. Food delivery apps like Doordash don't fall into that group. But if you're a dasher looking for delivery friendly features, there's still a workaround. You can use Apple Maps or Google Maps for turn by turn directions by copying the address from the Doordash app on your iPhone. Once you start navigation, it will show up on CarPlay. Some dashers also use Siri shortcuts or split screen features to switch between apps safely while driving. But keep in mind, multitasking on the road, even with CarPlay, can be risky. So while you can't directly download Doordash to your CarPlay menu, you can still make it work by blending the tools you've got.